What's up, guys? Today, as promised, I want to walk you through what it costs exactly to set up a unit. This is a studio that I just set up in a downtown apartment that I've actually rented this studio, and everything in here I've already had. I sold another Airbnb and I moved all the furniture. But I want to walk you through what I actually paid for the stuff when I did get it and what it takes to set up an Airbnb. I'm gonna turn the camera around and go through what each item cost me. All right, first of all, a picture. I got three pictures in here. They actually came from a house that I bought that was a off-market house from an estate. I would buy them about 10 bucks a piece from a yard sale. The shower curtain is Amazon, 35 bucks. Gel body wash, $3 a bottle. The trash can and some of the bedspreads and stuff, I bought a truckload of Bed Bath and Beyond, and so I would allocate 5 bucks to that. The makeup washcloth, I pay about $2 a piece. I buy them in bulk. I think it's $1.86 on Amazon. The disposable makeup removers, about 3 cents a piece. These towels I bought at Walmart. Again, I've had this stuff at least 6 months, and I pay about 3 bucks a piece for the $3.74 for the bath towels, like 2 bucks for the hand towels, and $1 for the washcloths. They do come in a set, so they're not quite that much as a set. The table, the desk, the lamp, and the other table I bought at auction from a hotel, about $15 a piece. The desk, I actually paid somebody 20 bucks to paint it. The other decor came from another rental house that a guest or a tenant left me. This bed I bought new about a year ago on Amazon. It's a queen gel foam mattress, all-we, 10-inch gel foam, and a metal bed frame. And that was $183 for the mattress and $150 for the frame. That does fluctuate some depending on the time of year. I noticed that the beds are going up a little bit because of COVID. The desk chair was $150 new. I've had that 3 or 4 years, and I just moved it from a business that I closed. The rug was on Amazon for $65. This chair and ottoman was given to me by my parents. I reupholstered it for $100. The coffee maker is from Walmart, $9.99. The knife set is from Walmart, $19.99. The cups, 99 cents a piece, Walmart. The first aid kit is from Amazon, 2 bucks. Coffee from Dollar General, $10. Coffee filters are $1 per pack from Dollar General or the dollar store. These mugs came in a set from Walmart, which included pots, a table setting for 4, utensils, cooking utensils. Here's the rest of the plates. They were 59 bucks. I just had them shipped directly here. It had 4 pans with lids, cooking utensils. I think they're over here. Yeah, there's another pan. Cutting board was about a dollar or $2 for a 3-pack. Soap and dishwashing detergent I get at Dollar General. I think that big bottle's 2 bucks and this detergent's 5 or 6. The soap, hand soap, is $2 at the Dollar General store. Paper towels about $1 a piece. That's really all it takes to furnish a place. The pillows, they are 20 bucks a set for a queen set, $20 to $50, but they came in my bulk purchase. This apartment, what's nice about it is it's rental arbitrage. So I am paying $5.95 a month for this apartment, which includes all brand new appliances. It includes water, sewer, trash, and insurance on the building. And then I have to pay for electric, which is about $100 a month on average. I have to pay for insurance, which is $60 a month. And then I have to pay for cleaning, which it cost me $40 to clean this. I charge $69, and the $29 difference covers toilet paper, paper towels, and that kind of thing. I did miss the toilet paper. I pay about 25 cents a roll for that. I also forgot to include the dishwasher or the laundry detergent. That yellow bottle's $2.99, and the Downy is like $4.99 for the fabric softener, and that varies by city. Pillows I buy at the dollar store. Typically, they have all different firmness and pricing from $2 a piece up to $25 or $30 a piece. I also buy pillow covers and a mattress cover. Mattress covers about $39. Pillow covers are about $5 a piece, and pillows are washable. So every second guest or third guest, I wash the pillows and the pillow covers. The mattress cover protects from urine and spills and stains and bed bugs. And that is it. Please watch the video that I link upstairs or up and somewhere on this screen, and it'll give you a good idea of what it looked like before I set it up and during the setup process. Also, like this video, it helps the algorithm to help me get some more views. As you can see, I'm just starting this channel. And then also, if you have any comments about short-term rentals or real estate in general, I got 30 years in the hotel business, 30 years in real estate investing. One last thing I noticed, TV, they are being installed next week. The Best Buy Geek Squad is coming to install them. $50 for installation, $119 for the mount, and $300 for a smart TV. And then I also have a cable bill that is $99 a month for 1 gigabyte of down and upload, but I use that for the entire building, so I share that between 8 units. So call it $15 a unit.